Do you want $3,000 in your PayPal account right now? Is that a yes? Good, because today I'm going to show you how to earn thousands of dollars monthly using a free Google tools. No, scratch that. I'm going to give you 2 free Google tools. The first tool we're going to look at is Welcome to Moneyfy with Mary. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification icon so that when I upload a new video, you will be among the first people to watch it, and that way you can be ahead of your competitors. Now, where were we? Good. Now, the first tool that I'm going to talk about is Google Translate. I'm sure most of you have heard of it, or you've actually used it before. And what this does for you is that it'll take words that you speak and it will translate them into text. And so, as you can see, as I was speaking, it was already translating it into text. Look at that. That is awesome. And you know, the best part about this is that you can record using whichever language that you're comfortable speaking in, and you can translate them into text into the language that you want to. Now we're going to get into details on how to use this tool to earn money, but before that, there's even a better tool that you can use. Now, most of the YouTubers that have covered this topic have only given you Google Translate, but Google Cloud is the best. Now, to access it, you can go to cloud.google.com, or you can just go to Google and type in Google Transcription. You can also type in speech to text and you will be here as well. Now, the best part about Google Cloud is that you don't have to speak. All you have to do is upload your audios or your video files, and this free tool will transcribe them for you for free. Now, when you come to this site, the Google Cloud, you will scroll down and you will see this part, put speech to text into action, and here you can click on this one to choose the file that you want, and then you can upload it, and it will include punctuations, and you can get a good result, a good end product. Now the question is, how are you going to use the 2 of these tools to make money? Let me show you how to, because it is simple. Now, if you go to Google right now and type in Transcription Jobs, you will see many of these jobs available. So now with these jobs, you can go become a freelancer and get paid to transcribe. But there are sites that pay you to do it. And when you have Google Cloud, when you have Google Translate, then all of this becomes easy. You get to earn dollars for free. Now, I want to give you 2 sites that pay you to transcribe for them. Now, the first one is a popular one, and it's called GMR Transcription. Now, you have to click. If you want a job with GMR, then you have to click on the careers. That is what we want. You do not want to, waste time. So you're going to click on careers, and as you can see, their translators typically earn between $1,000 to $3,000 per month. I mean, how easy can that be, eh? You've been paid to transcribe. You're using free tools to transcribe for you automatically, and at the end of the month you have $3,000 in your pocket. Guys, that is so easy. I'm sorry for that, for the pop-up, but you will scroll down, you will click here to apply, and you will give them your name, your email, and you're good to go, and you can start using the free tools that I have given you. Now, the other site that pay you to transcribe for them is Rev. Now Rev is a pretty popular transcription site, and as you can see here, they pay $1.25 per minute for transcription services. If you calculate that, in an hour you're going to earn approximately $60, and they pay weekly via PayPal. Everyone around the world right now has a PayPal account, and you can get paid via PayPal. Now, if you combine Rev and GMR, then you can easily make thousands of dollars in a month by just transcribing audio and video files. Now, if you want another one of my videos, please remember to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.